The number of triangles that can be formed by choosing points from 7 points in a line and 5 points in another parallel line. 7 points in this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to form triangles. I cannot have 3 points from the same line forming a triangle. So I should either have 2 points here and 1 here, or 2 points here and 1 here. So I'm looking at either 7C2 into 5C1 or 7C1 into 5C2. 7C2 7 into 6 by 2, which is 21. 5C1 is 5. 21 into 5. 7C1 is 7. 5C2 is 10. 5 into 4 by 2. 7 into 10. 7 into 10 is 70. 21 into 5 is 105. 105 plus 70 is 175. Easy as pie. Very straightforward question.